Hi, this is Jana. Welcome to the kitchen. We thought we would throw in something easy for your summer for the kids. The kids who are staying at home and they need something. You could just have a Tupperware container of meat and lettuce and onions and all this stuff and the jalapenos, whatever your kids like. Okay, and you can have this in the refrigerator for you, the family, but for kids who have to stay home all summer. And then you can buy those packs of the individual Doritos, you know, the little snack size.
The grab and go stuff.
The grab and go stuff. And what you do is you cut the side off of your Dorito bag. There we go. And then you have to mash them up. And you can do this with FRITOS or whatever, okay? So it's like this. And then you have them warm up the meat. Sorry, Aaron.
You're fine.
And then they can put in as much meat. You can do it with chicken, whatever your kids like, okay? Or your husband. My husband loves these. And then we put in cheese. Now, there's that liquid, like...
liquid
gold cheese. Nacho cheese. There we go. And you could put nacho cheese on it.
It's in there.
Okay. As much or as little as you want. Or you can put in real cheese. This is Kojak. I already had some in my fridge. Just like this. You teach them how to do this. They're also called tacos in a bag, walking tacos. They're perfect for selling at your concession stands for your sporting events. That's where we started doing it.
Or Taco Tuesday.
Or Taco Tuesday. We had Taco Tuesday every Tuesday at our house, and then the kids had leftovers for lunch. And if they want onions, put in a little onion, just like that. And then of course you gotta have your jalapenos. So put in a few jalapenos, just like this. And what's beautiful is you can have disposable forks, just like that. You can add sour cream, add your favorite taco sauce, salsa, your homemade salsa, whatever. And that is how you do a taco in a bag, and they eat it right out of the bag. And that is a walking taco in a bag. And they can put as much stuff in as they want, and they get a salad. And you don't have any mess. They just put the lids back on and shove it back in the refrigerator, and you are set to go. This is great for camping, okay? You can have it all done before you leave the house and in your cooler or in your freezer or whatever, and have easy meals. All of this is so easy to have on hand. So thank you for stopping by Jana's Kitchen.
A quick and simple meal.
A quick and simple meal.